I just want everyone to know, I was telling my friend Bernie over here, it's like, wow, this is so, it's powerful, you know, what is being expressed tonight. Anyway, I'm here doing a preliminary casting for a feature film we plan to shoot here next year. It's called Fuetson, Taotao. Sorry if my Chamorro is not perfect. We have a street team that we have together. We have a team of about 10, 12 people, Ben?
Right about, yeah.
Yeah.
And rolling.
Yeah, and we have a comic book coming out. Is there an organization that sort of overlooks the whole spoken word movement?
That's us, man!
Okay. So here's what's going on. We got a comic book coming out. The first issue comes out on December 1st. And there's 11 comic books, and each comic book is 10 pages long. Each comic book represents 10 minutes of the screen time, and for each comic book we come out with, it will benefit one organization that empowers or supports people on Guam. And I would like to officially say that I think we need to have the benefits of one issue go to what's going on here. This is too important. So in any case, we'll be back. I'll be back here sometime in 2009. We had a casting on Thursday night when we had over 50 people show up. The very first time I came to Guam to do a film was in 2004, and we had, I think, 2 people show up. So that's a big increase. I did a film workshop today, and we have 50 people there at UOG. So I'm really impressed, by the increase in filmmaking, and I want to give a special shout out to the Munoz brothers, Don and Kel, for completing the first feature film.